destination is...
My destination is full stop. Just Google. Let's go. Today we're going on an adventure. This is a challenge for today. Ready. And we're off. This is a lot more friendly to grip.
Yeah, than Discovery. And this harsh on your knees. Yeah, right there. There's a hole a bit up more from your right leg. So this bit up more. There's a plastic one. Which angle? Right there. Yeah. Or try to shimmy more to your right. And get to that bigger hole there. For your right leg.
Very good. Try to find a hole. Very good. Yes.
You're good. Try to turn up your right leg some more. There are more secure holes than your right leg secure.
So try keep moving your feet first. Look for holes for your feet first before you move your hands. Very good.
For your feet, I think you can do like a left right push on going up. Yeah. Right. And now to your right for your foot.
Like everybody cannot do that.
There you go. Make sure you have good grip before you move off. Yeah, that. Your hand can't go into the hole there for your right hand, where your hand was before. So one more step. Right where your left knee is.
Jump off now.
Ready? Yes. Position yourself to come down. Put your knees. Put your knees against. Put your knees away from the wall.
No, your knee's not
Four.
away.
Sit back all the way.
So your feet gonna go hands off.
Hands off. You don't need your hands on the wall right now. You don't need them on the rope either. Alright, I'm laying you down, okay? Ready? Now crawl down, one step at a time.
No, to the right.
Yeah, there you go. That's good.
To the right.
Yeah, just like that. That's how you want your body to be. So if you slam, if you swing, you won't slam against the rock.
Is it very much?
I should slam next.
One of them. Going to before breathe, son.
Just strictly through the nose.
It's very important to find find the right approach and then sometimes you need to breathe. Sometimes even with that break, it's good to put your forearm.
I seen from the knife of me, I couldn't find that last one from my left leg, you know.